Okay, this street is actually called Tercena. I'll give you a little context of where we are in a moment, but you have some events today. Today's actually December 31st, New Year's Eve. So it looks like they got some interesting stuff. There's some nice buildings. So we're going to kind of show you what's around here and walk down Tercena. And it's actually a pedestrian street today, so it's actually kind of a cool day to come down and explore. So enjoy getting another little slice of Macau and get to know what it looks like a little bit. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so before we even go down, let me just kind of show you what's around here a little bit. This thing says Macau Station, and they're showing movies today. And then there's some trucks down this way. And we're probably gonna walk down, well, we'll see all of it. This is in Venarios. This is like Street of the Herbalist. So you got all kinds of cool stuff down here too. Pedestrian street. This one's always a pedestrian street. Got antique shops, all kind of cool stuff. A lot of stuff today. But we are going to go this way. And I think we're gonna go this way. I just want to show you that there's this goes into Our Lady of Amparo, that direction. And the street that we're gonna go down is this one, Tercena. So we'll just try to capture it as best that we can. We got some vehicles today, so I think the vehicles are representing kind of food truck stuff. Then you got businesses to the side as well. We got some makeup. And we're gonna keep on walking down. The lights are just coming on, which could be bad for the film or it could be okay. So Tercena Street is a pedestrian street today, which is very unusual. Usually there's cars coming down this narrow street and you just don't really get this experience that you get today. And they usually come down here. There's a coconut milk shop that's very popular. We got our street sign coming up in a minute. So there's a street sign. Tour de Tercena. Yeah, usually this street is very crowded, so sometimes I've driven down it with a car and it's very difficult to do. Especially right here, because this is always bottlenecked with a lot of people. Always. Then you got these little alleys as well. That's Ostra. We're gonna try to navigate this. So I think this line is for the bakery. Let's see what this is all about. It does smell good. Very long line. Let's go back over this way. So usually they say if there's a long line, you should get in the line because the food will be good. We're gonna capture this other one too. This one is also popular as well. So this one, I always see people at this one. And then there's another one down here a little bit. There's a cocoa milk one, which I think is maybe closed today. More people down that way. Oh, okay. Let me just take a quick look here. So this is a little patio. You turn out of Felicidade. I think I heard that they might turn that into an artist area. They use that word, but there's another Eterno Felicidade as well. So they might have got it confused with another one. But there was a news story about that being turned into an art studio. I've been in that alley before. It's really cool. It could turn into one. But that news story is like 6 months old. And Tercena. Let's get a little bit quiet in here. Then we have a little patio and a little rua. There's Rua de Tercena. Patio. So the patios are a little courtyard, so that's the courtyard. And then Tercena continues down further. I'm just gonna try to gonna go down those steps real quick. This goes up to San Antonio's church. It's kind of a back way up to yeah, that's takes you up to another park. Okay. So yeah, you come down from that space and then you enter into this space, and it's if you go up that way, it kind of goes up to Sao Paulo ruins. It goes up the hill a little bit. Sao Paulo ruins, St. Paul Church is on a hill, and if we continue down our street, we'd go down that way, and now it's changed into Paitaios Street. So, okay. So this is Rua de Tercena. I think I'm just going to try to capture some of those restaurants one more time. Then we're going to end our video.
新城10家好像叫，没有在新城10家，我给你看，我地图标了。
So, yeah, it gets really kind of bottlenecky in here, and usually cars do go down, and I guess they let some motorcycles go down. It's a busy street here, busy spot. Okay, let me just see. Busy, okay. There we go. Oh, okay, some of the cars are sneaking around through these other side streets. So anyways, this is Tercena Street, and the lights are kind of coming down. I think the lighting will probably be okay right now, but then later the filming just doesn't really turn out very well. So let's go this way. They usually sell stuff on the side of the street right here too. Okay. Tercena. Okay. That's Tercena. And Tercena goes into an Invernarios, so I'll just walk into it just briefly. So you can see all these antiques. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.